probably construction noise. It's drowning out our noise for the deer. Very cool. Well, we have another turkey that needed to be quarantined. Now, I honestly don't know what I'm doing with turkeys. I'm going to be very, very honest. I'm very humbled by this turkey experience. It was not what I expected. We've only raised chickens and ducks before, so I don't know. It was, at the beginning, we lost so many of the little ones. It was really hard. I mean, that was a lot of death going on in our house. I've only really experienced that. Well, no, not even when they were little. We never experienced that with the ducks. So anyway, this guy, I just feel like when they get to this point where they can't really even get up and the other ones are kind of bullying them, I just, like, my heart tells me to just quarantine them with the ducks because the ducks are so nice, and then hope that they rally. This one I think just has like a leg injury or something. So the problem with these toms up here, you can see, they are too heavy. So they're meant for meat production. They are not meant for pets. They are not like your heritage breed turkeys, but I'll show you some of these big ones. I mean, they're really big, like 20, probably close to 30 pounds with, like, look at this one. That's really big for trying to mate with a female. And actually, these guys don't even breed naturally. So, I don't know. I think taking them out of this situation and putting them somewhere where they can heal is like what I feel is right. But again, like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. But that's why we're here. We're learning. More landscaping. Our friends just got back from out of town, and so he was able to come and level out some of this driveway material. You can see the pigs too. Hi guys. I can say hi ladies because these are our three ladies, and then that's our big boy over there. So probably 3 weeks out on processing these two guys. They're getting pretty big. And then the two smaller ones we will do probably a month or two later, just because they were a bit younger when we got them. And as you can see, the other two hoard the food. So I think we'll wait a bit on those littler ones. Building some stairs for the deck. We've got some company coming into town this weekend, my parents and my grandma. So we just want to make sure everything is good and ready for everyone. And plus, we just have been wanting to get this done. Frankie, being that she's a little older and bigger, she can't get up these stairs very well, so. We're moving turkey fence so we can
over that. That's fine. Okay.
get all of that stuff cleared out. We're gonna have the turkeys eat all of that, so hopefully they like their new habitat. Oh, look out, but you got a turkey behind you. That's the brave one, checking it out. These guys are up unattaching the fence to all the T-posts. And then we're gonna take this fence right here and move it up so that way we can move these guys over to this area where it's all overgrown, and then they can eat a bunch of bugs and greens and just have a great old time over there. Look at these guys. As they get older, look at how tough they are. So we processed 8 turkeys yesterday. Most of them, I think all of them were toms. So today we have 56 turkeys left, and they're mostly hens. So it's really kind of, well, not right now, it's not quiet, but it's a lot more calm in here without all of those males trying to compete with each other. The fun part, taking the T-posts out of the solid clay ground. The turkeys don't like the little contraption Brandon's using for the T-posts. I call it a slammer. And one got out, yeah. But we've got all of these out. And now it's just time to move the fence.
That ought to come now. Hopefully.
Good grandpa, grandson work together. Kids will be happy. No more picking dandelions or grass. These guys can just forage for their own grass now. Hi. Do you like your new home? Yeah? Oh, how about you? Do you like it now? I think they're saying yes, thank you. One in?
Did you touch?
Papa, you coming up?
No. Did you touch? No. Okay.
So, I mean, we need to come to the river when we've got visitors. So, we've got my dad here. Say hi, Papa.
I'm thinking about it.
He's thinking about jumping in the river, but I don't know. Are you gonna jump in, Cross? No. Okay. He's already dipped in though. Jameson's about to do it. Nolan just did. Abby, how about you?
Not sure.
Not sure. Gigi's not. Baby Grandma, are you going to?
We're spectators.
We might stick our toes in, and that might be about it, right? But check out how smoky it is. So we thought it was gonna feel like 80 today, but it feels like about 65. And it says 81, but I don't know. There goes Abby. She's our brave one. Okay, Jameis, your turn.
Good job, Abby.
Okay, who's next? Looks like Papa. Wait for these cars. Yeah, and then, oh, there's a bird. Wait for the bird. Oh, there's a breeze. Let's wait for the breeze to stop. He will not. He's so brave.
Is he far enough over?
Yeah, he's fine.
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Woohoo!
It's really tall.
Nice catapult.
The boxes got watered, the garden did not. The boxes got watered, the greenhouse did not.
So we got some pork belly at Costco, and we smoked it for, what, an hour? And now we're going to put it on the skillet, fry it up like bacon, and have some BLTs. It's our first time doing this, but we're trying to get creative with different cuts of pork since we'll be having lots of pork this year. This is how it turned out. We're making BLTs tonight. Yum. Look how thick this is. That's what I'm talking about. You want cheaper than bacon? Make your own.
Much easier once we get
We're doing some salvaging.
A pizza box that needs to go.
Our friends bought this property,
It's under the seat.
and they are going to tear down this garage type building. So we're going to take the wood and the steel with us and do something fun and crafty with it. So stay tuned for that.
Don't leave the lid in here.
This makes me real nervous though.
Well, you can carry your own.
It's an angry storm. Check out these clouds above us. Don't they look like they could just open up and swallow us? Crazy. That was quite the rain, but luckily it only lasted about half an hour. So now we're back out getting the chores done for the afternoon. Nolan's slinging 50-pound bags of turkey feed. We're gonna get the ducks out right now and give them a little free time. These pigs played in that rain. Now they're exhausted, but the other sides of them are just covered in mud. So we'll go let the ducks out. The ducks are free. They too love rainy days, so they're gonna unearth a lot of bugs out here. A lot of our ladies are molting too, if you can see the difference in their colors. Getting ready for their winter feathers, I guess.
You got your other balloons, right? And you like them.
Mm-hmm.
Paddle is the name of the game. If you mess up the game, you have to change the name. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Nice job. We're here at the hot springs. And check out this fog.
All right.
And some of it's steam, but you can see how foggy it is everywhere.
I have to leave. I have to sit here because if I go up there, I topple over. So I mean, she feels like she's floating away. Yeah, I do. I might have to venture back. I don't think I want to. Hold on.
Yeah, we'll each take an arm.
What's that?
This kid just walked arm in arm with his great grandma down the hill so she wouldn't fall. What a good kid.
A little something, but
Right.
one little shrub.
So this lot, you can see the property marker up here by this whatever fiber optic sign or whatever that is. So this property right here is like a 3-acre property, and it's crazy wooded and crazy overgrown like ours was. But we're hoping right now it's technically sold. It was contingent until today, but this is right up the road from us. And so we're hoping that what will happen is we can have something fall through and my parents can scoop this lot up. So we had a lovely time with my parents, my grandma, just really good quality time that we never really got to have when we lived near each other. That's the one positive about being away from the family, is when we do spend time together, it's really good time. Did a lot, but not too much. Hot springs, I think, were a favorite for everybody. I think my grandma really enjoyed the birds and the kids and pigs and all, just the whole thing. I mean, she loves the outdoors, so bird watching a little bit. Can't wait for them to come back. My in-laws are in now, so they got in on the same flight that my parents were taking off on. So we've been enjoying their company too. Not a super busy week planned. hogs are going to be processed one of these days. We took apart the rest of the shed, so stay tuned for that. And let me know if you guys are interested in seeing a little bit about our pig processing. We've never done it before. We have no idea what we're doing. We think maybe we can do it, but stay tuned for that. So let me know. But yeah, everybody's doing really well here. Animals are all good. Kids are great. Brandon's great. I'm great. So hopefully you all are great too. And with that, we'll talk soon.